on my mobile. That's really good.
Subhanallah.
Subhanallah. Everything by Allah.
It is a protection. Actually, mountain is
From earthquake.
mountain is protected by Surah. I didn't know. Martial arts like Kalari,
Karate.
not karate.
Uh-huh.
It's Kerala on martial art like Kalari.
Malampura Dam, right?
Yeah. How is it?
Yeah, I can't say in language. How is it?
Oh, mashallah, mashallah, mashallah.
In Kerala, it's my favorite place, I can say.
By summer season, we can ride a bike through this way.
Aha.
We will play football here.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's a monsoon, right?
Now it's monsoon.
In Kerala, in monsoon.
Yeah.
I drank water from here. You can remember.
We went another side also, you know. This is a part of this side, and another side also we went.
Yeah, last time.
Last day.
Last day, right?
Last day. This is two parts. Malampura is two parts.
Uh-huh.
This is dam side, and that is thick forest side.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Obviously.
They have no answer.
Of course.
Scientifically, they can't prove by its. They can't prove anything.
Anything.
But we have all the, we have all the evidence,
Evidence that Allah made all of these things. It's really so beautiful. The most beautiful
Allah said,
place I
saying
have
that
ever
you
seen in
have to
Kerala.
look at nature.
Siru fil ardh fanzuru
Actually,
kayfa kana
nature is
aqibatul
Allah,
mukazzibin. Nature means Allah.